Welcome to solarpanelsuk.com. In this video, we will answer your most frequently asked questions regarding solar panel maintenance. Your solar panel maintenance questions are: what is the lifespan of a solar panel? Can I clean my solar panels with soap and water? How often should I clean my solar panels? How do I know if my solar panels need maintenance? Can I repair my own solar panels? What kind of maintenance is covered under warranty? How can I safely remove snow and ice from my solar panels? The answers to your solar panel maintenance are: Solar panel maintenance question 1. What is the lifespan of a solar panel? The answer is: the lifespan of a solar panel is typically 25 to 30 years, but efficiency decreases gradually over time. Proper maintenance can maximize its lifespan and performance. Solar panel maintenance question 2. Can I clean my solar panels with soap and water? The answer is: cleaning solar panels with soap and water is acceptable. Use a soft brush and avoid abrasive cleaning agents to prevent damage. Solar panel maintenance question 3. How often should I clean my solar panels? The answer is: clean your solar panels at least once or twice a year. In dusty areas, cleaning may be required more frequently for optimal performance. Solar panel maintenance question 4. How do I know if my solar panels need maintenance? Our answer is: check for dirt buildup, damaged cables, and drops in energy output to determine if solar panels need maintenance. Solar panel maintenance question 5. Can I repair my own solar panels? The correct answer is: repairing solar panels is possible, but professional help is recommended due to high voltage and potential hazards. Solar panel maintenance question 6. What kind of maintenance is covered under warranty? The answer regarding warranty is: warranty coverage varies. Generally, it includes manufacturing defects, performance guarantees, and sometimes labor for repairs or replacements. Solar panel maintenance question 7. How can I safely remove snow and ice from my solar panels? To remove snow and ice from solar panels using a soft roof rake, taking care not to damage the surface. Avoid using sharp tools or applying excessive force. Solar Panels UK hope we have answered your solar panel maintenance questions in this short questions and answer session. Please visit www.solarpanelsuk.com today.